everybody. So this is a returning patient of mine. He's very, very lovely. He had a massive verruca there, and we were just waiting for it to kind of recover and see how it's doing. So it's still there, but it's a lot smaller. So we're going to repeat the verruca needling procedure. So I'm just going to debride this. I've done some local anesthetic directly onto there, and we're going to test if it's set on later on. But right now I am just taking off the first layer of it. It looks really good. Do you remember how big it was, Saha?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was quite big, wasn't it? So it's a lot more smaller. I do have some verruca tissue. I might need to do a little bit more anesthetic with the needleless injection. So I use, for patients that have needle phobia, I do use needleless injections. But usually with needleless injection, once it's numb, I kind of top it up, because sometimes needleless injection doesn't go as deep. How does it feel? Is it okay?
Yes, I feel it, but it's not like, oh, now it was becoming.
Yeah, that's the area that I'm going to put a little bit of local anesthetic in. Deep lesion. So it's definitely a lot more smaller. Just removing all that scar tissue here. Okay, we're just going to debride. Let me know if it's uncomfortable, okay? It's definitely a lot more smaller than before. So we're just causing trauma to tissue, pushing the viral load into the subcutaneous tissue. But it's definitely smaller. It used to be massive. We'll do a comparison. But sometimes verruca, they're stubborn. And it's great that this type of needling can sometimes get rid of it in one go, but sometimes also, make it smaller. But the good thing is, it was really painful before, wasn't it? And it's no longer painful. Yeah. And that's what we found with verruca needling, is that the pain aspect of it instantly goes away. So it's now, and you can see it's a lot more macerated. This gauze is just to hold the bleeding. I was just talking to Saha about making sure that your hands are away so that you don't cause yourself a sharp injury, because it's quite repetitive movement, so you can easily stab yourself. So just be mindful to have your fingers away. I'm using my pinky to anchor it, because it just makes it easier to kind of needle it down. So we've kind of, again, just macerated it a lot. So we're just going to continue with this so you can see what it looks like. Like that. So that's what it looks like. And then they just bleed. Thank you. So I've kind of finished debriding it. So I'm just going to compress it for 5 minutes, let the body's immunity kick in. Okay, just going to put this medicine on. am not going to have this, which is fine. Have this. We're not going to. May suppress the immunity. Yeah, so thank you.